Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today video I will try to explain how we can upgrade or downgrade Amazon seller account. As you can see, this is my Amazon seller central, and as you know, there are two types of selling plan on Amazon. One is professional, the second one is individual. In professional, you have to pay $40 per month and you can sell how much you want. But in individual, you need to pay per order. For each order you have to pay some amount of money. But for example, right now I have a professional plan, right? And if I have professional plan and I'm not selling anything, I need to pay monthly subscription fees. So for example, I don't want to sell for a couple of months. For that reason, you can downgrade your account to individual, that you don't need to pay $40 for every month. So let's start. So in this video, I will show you how you can downgrade or upgrade your Amazon Seller Central. So let's start. Click on setting and click on account info, and just simple scroll down. As you can see, account overview, and then scroll down, click on selling on Amazon. After click on selling on Amazon, just click on selling on Amazon. As you can see, there are two types of plan. One is professional, the second one is individual. In professional, you have to pay monthly $40 even you are selling or not. But in individual, you need to pay for each order. For example, right now I don't want to sell anything for a couple of months. So for that, if I don't go to individual plan, then I have to pay $40. For that, I will click on individual. Now I have individual plan and I will simply click on apply change, and yes, downgrade my account. As you can see, my account is downgrade. For example, in the future, again I want to upgrade my account for monthly subscription. Simply I will go again, click on this and click on professional, and I will apply. So it's quite simple, and we can do whenever we want. So this is quite simple video that how you can upgrade or downgrade your selling account. So thanks for watching my video. If you like my content, give a thumbs up. Thank you.